Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another Saturday Morning Makes. Just coming on really quickly. I intended on this being up a little earlier, but my grandkids had gotten up early, and yeah, yeah, it was really loud in the house. So they're gone for just a little bit, and I wanted to pop on and try and get this video up for you. So I'm just going to let you know where I picked up some items here. The Merry Christmas, the hats, and the snowman. You can pick those up from Jaded Blossom. This here is a Sizzix die. I won it from, I can't remember who I won it from. But anyways, and you can pick these two dies up from Gina Marie. And these dies, the snow die and the mountains, they've been in my stash forever. So I don't know where I got those from. I have no clue. Oops, sorry about that. I was trying to focus there. All right, I did end up getting out the stamp set I'm using, which is from Peachy Keen, of course. I'm using the Happy Lashes. I want to say I'm using that 5/8 of an inch, this one and this one. All right, and so I colored those up with my Copic markers, and you can tell there I put a little bit of eyeshadow over her, and I kind of messed up on the cheek, so I tried to make the other one the same. So, but it doesn't, it blends in well. I did add some stickles, diamond stickles, I want to say, on this. I used, this is right beside me, so I can grab that. I used that Nouveau Drop crystal drops for the coloring of the Merry Christmas, the hat there, and this hat. And then pink stickles, I want to say, which that's right beside me too. Hibiscus is what I'm using for that. And then I did color up that with Distress Inks is what I used for that. And I just colored over that with the little glitter glue. And then I did put some enamel dots on top of the buttons. And I think that is it. Oh, and I did do the inside. I used that Gina Marie folder again. And so that's what I have for you. If you have not joined in on the Saturday Morning Mix yet, or if you haven't heard of it, hey, where have you been at? We want to see your creation. So use that hashtag SatMornMakes. I'll leave Jill Norwood's link down below. And you all come over and have some fun with us. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.